Hi, good afternoon everybody. In today's session, I am going to deal with the MCQ questions, multiple choice question, which seems to be a challenging round for most of the students in IELTS listening test. So, before the audio begins, you have to go with the questions. Like you are told to see the questions, let's see, 22 to 25. So within the time that you are provided to see the questions 22 to 25, you have to understand the questions precisely. Most importantly, what the question has asked. Because in the multiple choice questions, mostly the answers used to be the same. The options which has been given along here, the audio used to, speak all these options answer. So how do we have to find out the answers precisely? Firstly, we see the question, the orientation meeting. Option 1 is said like took place recently, took place last term, will take place tomorrow, and will take place next week. Next week, this relates to future timetable. Tomorrow, this also again relates to future timetable. Took place last term, it relates to past activities. Took place recently, this means that just some moments ago, or let's say just some time ago, or even it depends on the condition, like it might be a day ago, right? So we have to understand that this question in this way. So see question number 23, attendance at lecture is. So option 1, optional after 4 p.m. Optional after 4 p.m., closely monitored, difficult to enforce, sometime unnecessary. So 4 different topics. One is optional after 4 p.m. Secondly, closely monitored. Third one, difficult to enforce, sometime unnecessary. That means the major part of the question is attendance at lecture is, whether it is compulsory, or it's optional one, or it's difficult to enforce, or you have the options like sometimes it's not necessary as well. So you see question number 24. Tutorial take place every morning, twice a week, 3 morning a week, 3 afternoon a week. As the audio speaks, the audio will be very, very rapid. You have to keep this thing in your mind. So the next one, question number 25. The lecture name is a person name. Okay. Give an eye look with the person's names: Roberts, Rawson, Ruggers, and Robertson. Okay. Let's do one small presentation regarding this MCQ modules of the questions, whether we make it out or not. Let's go.
Section 3. In this section, you will hear a conversation between a university student and a university lecturer. Look at questions 22 to 25. For each of the questions, 4 alternatives are given. Decide which of the alternatives best fits what you hear on the tape and circle the appropriate letter.
The time has been given for you to read the question, understand the question. You have option. You can see those options so that you can really implement your time in a very pragmatic way, in a very practical way. Okay, let's begin.
Hello, can I come in?
Oh yes, come in. How can I help you?
I was looking for the economics office. I've been all over the arts faculty building looking for it, but I could only find the School of Accounting and Economic History. Is this the right place?
Yes, this is the School of Economics.
Oh, good. I'm a new student, and I was wondering if someone could give me some information.
Well, I might be able to help. I lecture on that program. What do you need to know?
Well, quite a few things, actually. Firstly, how many lectures a week do I have to attend?
Well, the Economics 1 course is a double unit. So there are 2 lectures a week and 1 tutorial.
Oh.
The lectures are scheduled for Tuesday and Thursday.
What time?
Let me see. This information is all in the handout, which you should have received yesterday at the orientation meeting.
Was there a meeting yesterday? I didn't know about that. No one...
Yes, there was. But never mind.
the most important thing that the student need to understand out here, what the dialogue is all about. So they are talking about the orientation meeting. It's not like directly the answer would said like took place recently or took place last term. But when you listen to the audio, you need to focus what their their intention, what they really wanted to say. Like they really paraphrase the statement out here. So they say like, was there orientation meeting yesterday? The student asked, and the teacher said that yes, there was an orientation meeting yesterday. Oh, was there a meeting yesterday? Yes. That means the meeting was there yesterday. That doesn't mean that it took place last term. That doesn't notify that or signify that. Second, will take place tomorrow. That there is nothing regarding the place taken tomorrow or no any relation with the future timetable out here. So the answer would be regarding this orientation meeting. The correct answer would be took place recently. So this is how you have to find out the answer. It's not like you are said the answer what the option has been given. Similarly, we go to the next one.
Now, the lectures are at 4 in the afternoon.
4's a bit late. I've got a part-time job that starts at 4:30.
Well, you can't be in two places at once, can you? And attendance at lectures is necessary. We expect at least 90% attendance at this university, you know.
90%? That's high. Do they enforce that rule?
Yes, we do. We're pretty strict about it, actually.
And what times have been set down for the tutorials? Do you have that information?
All right. So the attendance at lecture is optional at 4 p.m. Even you listen the word option or even you listen the word difficult to enforce. But what is the gist of the, the conversation? So attendance at lecture is like he was forced or he was, let's say, he's compelled to join the class. That means the 90% of the attendance is most important. And they really focus on that and they are pretty much strict about it. What does that mean? They are pretty much strict on it, and they have the student need to attend the lecture, which is very compulsory, and also 90%. That means the attendance is closely monitored. The correct answer is B. So this is how you can go with the answer, not the word which has been presented out here. So 24 and 25, let's say.
That's a very well attended course, so there's a number of tutorial times. Monday, Wednesday and Friday, all at 9 o'clock. Yours will be allocated at the first lecture.
Can't I choose the time?
No.
So Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, all at 9 o'clock. That means in the morning. That means 3 morning a week. It's quite easy one. So let's go to the last one as well.
Me? Maybe not. You'll have to talk to the lecturer on the course. Dr. Roberts is his name.
Oh, okay.
I hope these tips are pretty much fruitful for you. Thank you very much.